Hello everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of PRATHAM Test Prep. My name is Girish Bhatt, and in today's session we are going to discuss some basic concept of directions and questions related to directions, right? And some questions जिनमें आप लोग exam में कैसे mistakes करते, we'll discuss those questions, right? Yes, good afternoon everyone. Please confirm my voice is audible and the screen is visible to everyone. Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, clear. Okay. Okay. So in this session, we are going to discuss some basic questions of directions, right? And some questions जहाँ पर I know कि आप सबको problem होती, we'll discuss those questions, ठीक है? And we'll discuss some questions कि कैसे उन questions को आप within second solve कर सकते हैं, right? Like, ठीक है, start करते हैं session, then we'll discuss some questions and some common mistakes जो आप लोग exam में करते हैं, ठीक है? So directions बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में डिस्कस, बहुत ज्यादा बेसिक डिस्कस नहीं करने वाले हैं, जस्ट मैं आपको एक इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ व्हाट डायरेक्शन मीन. जनरली वी हैव थ्री डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डायरेक्शंस, राइट? आप सबको पता है वी हैव सम हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शंस. अगर हम लोग ड्रॉ करते हैं वहां पर कुछ हमारे पास हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शंस होती है, राइट? हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शंस होती है. देन वी हैव सम वर्टिकल डायरेक्शंस एंड सम, ओके, देन See, अभी आपके माइंड में आ रहा है हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन मींस व्हाट, राइट? लेट्स से हम लोग डायरेक्शंस ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं पहले, ठीक है? दीज आर द ओरिजिनल डायरेक्शंस, ठीक है? ईस्ट डायरेक्शन, देन वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. सो हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में हम किसको काउंट करने वाले? ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, राइट? Yes, this is very important topic for all the exams. जितने भी exams आपने देने ना, सब में इस topic से question आता है, right? So this is important for all the exams. Vertical direction, north direction and south direction. Then third one, which one? Third direction. Yes, any one of you. Third direction. This is horizontal, vertical. Then third one is subordinate directions, right? Subordinate directions mean जो इन directions के middle में जो हमें ये वाली directions हम लोग draw करते हैं, right? Between north and east, that is northeast direction. Similarly, between these two, this is southeast, southwest and northwest direction, right? So generally these three different directions we have: horizontal directions, vertical direction and subordinate directions. We'll use all these three, right? And second thing, most important thing, हम लोग को एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम होती है लेफ्ट एंड राइट कंसिडर करने में, राइट? कभी भी मुझे लेफ्ट एंड राइट के लिए अगर अप्रोच करना है, वेयर इज माय लेफ्ट, वेयर इज माय, जस्ट लुक एट द डायरेक्शन एंड यहां पर खुद को एज्यूम करना है. लेट्स से आई एम हियर फेसिंग ईस्ट. If I'm facing east, where is my right side? When where is my left side? This is my right side, and this direction is my left side. है ना? Clockwise, anti-clockwise is confusing. बहुत बार हम लोग clockwise, anti-clockwise सोचते हैं, but that is confusing. बहुत बार हमें जल्दी में करते हैं क्वेश्चन तो incorrect भी हो जाता है. But the better way is खुद को assume कर लो. Let's say this is north direction. You are facing towards north. Where is your right side? This is your right side, and this is your left side. Similarly, if you are facing towards south, this is your left side and this is right side. If you're facing towards west, this is your right side and this is your left side. And अब आपको दिख रहा होगा, clearly visible होगा. If I'm saying left means which direction? See, anti-clockwise. All the arrows are pointing anti-clockwise. This is, if I'm saying left means anti-clockwise, right means clockwise. आप right turn को भी देख सकते हो. It says clockwise always. Right turn, clockwise rotation, right? So clockwise means right turn and लेफ्ट मींस एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एंड बेटर वे कि खुद को एज्यूम कर लेना किसी भी क्वेश्चन में, राइट। आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन इनकरेक्ट नहीं होने वाला। इवन जब आप अरेंजमेंट के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, कॉम्प्लेक्स अरेंजमेंट, सिंपल अरेंजमेंट, वहां भी ये वाली प्रॉब्लम आती है लेफ्ट एंड राइट, तो खुद को एज्यूम करना उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे। लेट्स से हियर यू आर फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ, वेयर इज योर राइट साइड एंड वेयर इज योर लेफ्ट साइड, इजीली आपको पता चल जाने वाला, राइट। एंड इसके बाद जो मेन प्रॉब्लम हमें एग्जाम में आती है उसको डिस्कस करते हैं। वेरी फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, राइट। Okay, I'm taking one example to understand the concept. I'm taking one example. Okay. And this is very common question for your exam. Okay. Okay, let's say we have given P is to the west of Q. Second, we have given Q is to the north of R, and then we have given R is to the let's say east of S. Now my question is, P is in which direction? Okay, Q is in which direction with respect to Q is in which direction with respect to S? With respect to S. Yes, everyone try to answer. Q is in which direction with respect to S? This is one simple question, right? For everyone, try to answer. I know जो second question आएगा ना, most of you will answer that question incorrect, right? P is to the west of E, right? The first thing is draw the directions, right? Draw the directions, east, west. This is north direction and south direction. Now question says P is to the west of Q. Let's say this is P. Oh, sorry, this is Q. P is to the west of Q. Here is P. This is Q. Right. Now Q is to the north of R. P is to the west of Q. P is to the west of Q. Then Q is to the north of R. So Q is to the north of R. Let's say how many of you can answer? Then we have given R is to the east of S. This R is to the east of S. Right. This is the diagram. Now my question is, Q is in which direction with respect to S? Q is in which direction with respect to S? Yes, everyone try to answer. So simply this is visible. Q is in which direction? Q is in this direction, and this direction is in between north and east, and my answer is northeast, right? Correct? Got it? Any doubt, any confusion in this question? This is position of S. This is Q. Now my question is, Q is in which direction with respect to S? With respect to whom? With respect to S. So start from S. Q is in which direction? Q is in northeast direction. Got it? Correct now? Jaldi se batao, is this clear to everyone? First question. But the important one is, second one is important question. Second question I need answer from everyone, right? If this is clear, then try to answer the second question. Now my question is, P is in which direction? Is in which direction with respect to S? Yes, try to answer. P is in which direction with respect to S? Now this is your question. Try to answer this question. For the same question, P is in which direction with respect to S? Yes, try to answer. P, same question. P is to the west of Q. Q is to the north of R, and R is to the east of S. Now my question is, P is in which direction with respect to S? Let's see how many of you can answer. Kamakshi says, okay. Mannat, okay, very good. Khushi, okay. Niman, north. Okay. You all have 10 seconds. Let's see how many of you can answer within next 10 seconds. Then I'll explain you the question, right? This is very important question. So we have such questions in our exam. Jahan par 99% people answer these questions incorrect, right? So यही हमें point देखने हैं जहां पर हमें exam में problem होती है. And I'm getting incorrect answer from most of you, right? Okay. See, the first thing is what we have. Tell me, is this distance between P and Q given here? Is the distance between P and Q or R and S is given here? No, the distance is not given. P and Q के बीच में कितना distance होगा या Q and R के बीच में what is the distance? What is the distance between S and R? That is not given in the question, right? So this figure can be like this. This is one possible figure. See, second possible figure is, let's say Q is here, P is here, and Q is here. This is R, and here is S. This is also one possible figure, right? This is one possible figure. This is second possible figure. I have one more possible figure for the same question, right? Here is P. Then this is R. And here is S. This is also possible figure. Now my question is, P is in which direction with respect to S? You are saying north, but this is also possible. This is also possible. So here we have three answers possible for this question. Got it? So if we have, for one particular question, if I have more than one answer, then that case, I'll answer cannot be determined, or data is inadequate to answer, cannot be determined. Got it? Why cannot be determined? समझ आया? Because ये यहाँ भी हो सकता है. This distance between P and Q and S R is not given in the question. So ये distance कुछ भी हो सकता है. ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है. यहाँ पर according to this diagram, answer is north. According to this diagram, what is the northwest? According to this diagram, northeast is the answer. Right. So for this particular question, I have more than one answer, right? So correct answer is cannot be determined. Got it now? जल्दी से एक बार confirm कर दो, समझ आ गया? Why cannot be determined? Why not north or northeast or northwest? Yes, please confirm. समझ आ गया ना? ये वाली, this is very important question for your exam. ठीक है? हम लोग इस पे मिस्टेक करके आते हैं. We realize कि हमने तो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन करेक्ट किया था, बट फिर भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग क्यों? This is the reason जो हमें कुछ चीजें हम लोग एग्जाम में गलत कर देते हैं, right? Note down this very first point. Now moving to the next. Okay, with respect to, okay, starting point is always, हम यहाँ पर किस arrow किससे start होता है? With respect to which position? With respect to S we are looking for. So S से P की direction we are looking for. If this is with respect to P, so P से S को हम लोग check करते हैं, right? This time question is saying with respect to S. So हमें S के respect में check करना है. S के respect में P is in which direction? This is the question. Correct? Now moving to the second concept. Okay. So this is one simple question we have given, right? Okay. जल्दी ध्यान से देखना. Next question आप लोग करोगे, ठीक है? ऐसा कोई भी question आता है. What we have given, a man is going towards north. After walking 50 meters, he turned to his right, walks 40 meters. Again, he turned to his right and walks 50 meters. Finally, he turned to his left and walks 20 meters. In which direction is he moving now? The simple question is there. In which direction is he moving now? Right. बहुत बार ऐसा question exam में पूछा जाता है. हमारे दो approach होती हैं यहाँ पर. First one is diagram वाली approach. Right. First approach is, okay, last question, arrow, which is what we have given. P is to the west of Q. P is to the west. Where is west? This is west direction. That means P is here. P is to the west of Q. That means Q is here. This is the arrow. P is to the west of Q. ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है. उस एरो से आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. ऐसे भी एरो कर लोगे तो आंसर में कोई चेंज नहीं आने वाला. इस एरो से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इसको अब मैं अगर ऐसे भी कर लेता ना, सिंपल लाइंस, तो भी कोई चेंज नहीं आता, राइट? इसको एरो करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, राइट? मेनली this is the arrow. We are here, we are looking for P is in which direction with respect to S. That means we are looking for with respect to S, from S to P, the direction from S to P, right? Otherwise इस arrow का there is no role in this question. ठीक है? इसको आप draw करोगे या नहीं करोगे doesn't matter. ठीक है? So this question, First one is diagram method. Second one is direct method. You can answer this question. Just read the question, mark the answer. It will take hardly 5 seconds. Just read the question. No need to draw any diagram. तो मैं आपको दोनों मेथड्स बताने वाला हूं. फर्स्ट हम लोग डायग्राम से सॉल्व करेंगे, देन will solve with the help of second approach, that is without using any diagram. Just read the question, mark the answer. Right? Okay. So what we have given with the help of diagram, these are my original directions: east direction, then west direction, north, and here is south direction. A man is going towards north. Right? Man is going towards north after 50 meters. So from this particular point, 50 meters towards north. Then he turns to his right and walk 40 meters. His right 40 meters. Then again he turns to his right 50 meters. Again he turns to his right 50 meters. Then turn to his left and 20 meters from this particular point. Right? Turn to his again turn to his right and then 50 meters. Finally he turns to left and walk 20 meters. So this is the left direction. 20 meter. Now question says which direction is he moving now? अभी वो कौन सी direction में move कर रहा है? Right. So this is the direction, east direction. You can easily answer with the help of diagram. Now he's moving in the east direction. But similar question आप कैसे कर सकते हो? देखो ध्यान से समझना. If we are looking for in which direction he is moving, right? Simple ऐसा question आएगा. Start with north, right? Then he takes a right turn. Then again he takes a right turn. Finally he takes a left turn. तो आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना. North, then right, then again right, then left. And आपको पता होगा ये left and right से एक दूसरे से cancel out हो गए. Because left ऐसे गया, right उसी के opposite में हो गया. दोनों ने एक दूसरे को cancel कर लिया. तो left and right एक दूसरे से cancel हो गए. Right. Now we are left with north and right. Means north direction से start कर रहा था. अभी he is in the right side of north, and north के right side में कौन सी direction होती है? East. That is your answer. Right. Just read the question. North, right, right, left. This left and right cancelled out. Now my answer is to the right side of north. Right side of north is east. That is my answer. Got it? समझ आई बात? What we have? North, right, right, left. Right. Right and left cancelled out. Always. कभी भी कितने right and left है वो आपस में cancel out हो जाएंगे. Right. Let's say more than one right left are there. वो भी आपस में cancel out हो जाएंगे. Now we are left with north and one right side. North के right में कौन सी side होती है? North के right में is east. Now he is facing towards east. He is moving towards east. Right. Got this? So just read the question and mark the answer. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा time ऐसे questions में waste नहीं करना exam में. Right. कब? If you are looking for in which direction he is moving now. ठीक है. Similar one question for you all. ठीक है. Do the same. जो भी left and right है उनको आपस में cancel out करना है. Then try to answer. You all have 10 seconds without using diagram. Try to answer without using diagram. Yes, everyone. You all have 10 seconds for the question. Right. Here we have given east, then right turn, then again right turn, then left and left. What will be the final answer? Without using any diagram, without using pen or paper, try to answer this question. Northeast होगा तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Northeast होगा तो that means in between east and north 45 degree वो rotate करने वाला है. Northeast से अगर 90 degree आएगा तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. Right. अगर 90 डिग्री क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट हो रहा है, राइट साइड में जा रहा है तो इधर आ जाएगा. लेफ्ट साइड लेफ्ट आ रहा है उसके बाद तो वो इधर आ जाएगा. राइट. लेफ्ट टर्न और राइट टर्न मींस व्हाट? 90 डिग्री क्लॉकवाइज और 90 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. इफ आई एम सेइंग लेफ्ट टर्न ना तो दैट मींस लेफ्ट मींस मुझको 90 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट करना है. इफ आई एम सेइंग राइट टर्न दैट मींस 90 डिग्री क्लॉकवाइज. सिंपल. गॉट इट? वेरी गुड. सो देखो ये राइट से ये लेफ्ट कैंसिल, इस राइट से ये लेफ्ट कैंसिल, कोई भी नहीं आने वाला. जो ईस्ट वाली डायरेक्शन है ना, दैट इज माय आंसर ओनली. ईस्ट इज द आंसर हियर. डन. नो नीड टू ड्रॉ एनी डायग्राम. जस्ट चेक व्हाट वी हैव गिवन. ईस्ट, then right turn, left turn, लेफ्ट टर्न, लेफ्ट राइट कैंसिल, लेफ्ट राइट कैंसिल, बचा क्या, केवल ईस्ट, लेफ्ट राइट कहीं नहीं जाना, सो ईस्ट इज माय आंसर. So now he is moving in the east direction. That is final answer. Why cancel? बच्चे देखो, if I'm moving towards north ना, देखो ध्यान से देखना, यहां से मैंने right turn लिया, this is what meaning of right turn, right? Then I'm saying now next is my left turn. तो मैं यहां आ गया, आपने देखा मैंने एक राइट टर्न लिया, एक लेफ्ट टर्न लिया, तो जो मेरी इनिशियल पोजीशन नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन थी, अभी भी मैं नॉर्थ को ही फेस कर रहा हूं, इसीलिए कैंसिल आउट करते हैं. इफ आई एम गोइंग टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ ना, फर्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग वन राइट टर्न, देन आई एम टेकिंग लेफ्ट टर्न. तो देखो एक लेफ्ट एक राइट लिया, तो अल्टीमेटली मेरी पोजीशन, मेरी डायरेक्शन में कोई भी चेंज नहीं आया. पहले भी मैं नॉर्थ को फेस कर रहा था, अभी फिर से नॉर्थ कर रहा हूं. सो जितने भी लेफ्ट राइट आप करोगे ना ऑल्टरनेट, वो एक दूसरे से कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि उनसे अल्टीमेटली कोई चेंज नहीं आने वाला. जिस डायरेक्शन में आप ओरिजिनली मूव कर रहे थे, अभी भी आप उसी डायरेक्शन में. इसका मीनिंग ये होता है, इसीलिए कैंसिल आउट करना है. राइट, गॉट इट? क्यों, व्हाई वी आर कैंसिलिंग दीज लेफ्ट एंड राइट? लेट्स से इफ आई एम मूविंग टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट, राइट, दिस इज माय डायरेक्शन, आई एम मूविंग टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट, आई टुक अ लेफ्ट टर्न. ठीक है, आई टुक अ लेफ्ट टर्न, सो आई रीच्ड हियर. नाउ आई, आफ्टर टेकिंग लेफ्ट टर्न, आई टेक वन राइट टर्न. सो this is my right turn. आप देखो मेरी initial direction and final direction is same. There is no change. If I'm taking one left and one right, means दोनों ने एक दूसरे को cancel out कर दिया. Got it? This is the idea, right? Yes, in every question, if we are looking for in which direction is he moving now, in which direction now I'm moving, right? In every question जहां पर आपको ये find करना है, this will work. Correct? ऐसा नहीं कि ये कुछ बहुत ज्यादा कुछ हमने ऐसा किया, ये this is the actual thing जो हम डायग्राम में भी करते हैं. Got it? Okay, now moving to the next concept. Okay, again this is one important question. ये last year बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में ये वाला टाइप पूछा गया था, इवन IPM में भी ये वाला टाइप से क्वेश्चन था, and there was one question in DUJAT also, right? So this year we are expecting more questions of reasoning in AILET exam. ठीक है, तो आप समझ सकते हो, बिकॉज वेटेज ऑफ LR इज लाइक 55 to 60 क्वेश्चंस इन AILET एग्जाम. सो मेक श्योर कि अभी रीजनिंग के बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस आने वाले वहां पे. ठीक है, इफ साउथ ईस्ट इज ईस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट इज वेस्ट, साउथ वेस्ट इज साउथ, एंड सो ऑन, व्हाट विल नॉर्थ बी कॉल्ड? यस, ट्राई टू आंसर. These are the original directions: east, west, north, and south. This is northeast, southwest, southeast, and northwest. Yes, try to answer everyone. Yes, try to answer this question. I hope screen is visible to everyone. Huh? Try to answer this question. If southeast is east, northwest is west, southwest is south, and so on, what will be north be called? Okay, northeast. Good. Northwest. Okay. Yes, you all have 10 seconds. Try to answer within next 10 seconds. Let's see how many of you can answer. These are the original directions. Original. We are looking for new directions. DI कब ले रहे हो? See, DI क्यों नहीं अभी तक हुआ, मैं आपको रीजन बताता हूँ. See, DI के लिए ना will need 2-3 hours, right? Marathon session, because 1 hour या 30-40 minute में it is not possible कि हम DI कर पाएंगे, right? वो टॉपिक बहुत सारे पार्ट्स में हो जाएगा, तो ऐसे मजा भी नहीं आएगा टॉपिक करने में. तो वी आर प्लानिंग कि एक बड़ा सेशन करेंगे जिसमें हम लोग DI पूरा स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक पूरा खत्म कर देंगे, राइट? सो अभी इसीलिए DI नहीं हो रहा, बिकॉज 30-40 मिनट में दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि हम DI कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, इसीलिए DI नहीं हो रहा, इसीलिए कोई भी बड़ा टॉपिक लेने से पहले दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज अभी हमारे पास टाइम बहुत लिमिटेड है, राइट. सो विल प्लान वन सेशन जिसमें हम केवल DI करेंगे एंड दैट सेशन विल बी ऑफ 2 hours और समथिंग, राइट. गॉट इट. सो दिस इज द एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम कि क्यों अभी तक DI नहीं हुआ. ओके, so original directions, new direction, what we have given, southeast is east. Southeast कौन सी डायरेक्शन है? ये वाली डायरेक्शन. This direction was southeast, but according to question, the southeast is now east direction. That's it. आपको आगे पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसकी आपको कोई जरूरत नहीं है, राइट. उसके बाद क्या लिखा है उसको रीड करने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं. The very first statement is enough to answer the question, right? We have given southeast is east. Southeast becomes east now. ठीक है. Now accordingly arrange southeast के बाद next, east के बाद next क्या होता है? East के opposite में होता है west, यहाँ पर होता है north, and north के opposite में होता है south. These are the direction, new directions now. Now according to question, what we have given, what will north be called? This is north, and north कहाँ पर है अभी? In between north and west. So my answer is northwest. Got it? North is called northwest. Got it? This is important topic for Christ and yes, for Christ and Xavier exam. This is important topic. ठीक है. So northwest is the right answer. Got it everyone? जिनका आंसर northeast था, clear? Why not northeast? Why northwest? Because we have given southeast is east. Accordingly, east के opposite west, then north, south, and north is in between north and west. That means that is northwest. Right? Okay. Now moving to the next concept. Okay, this is one question. I feel कि इसमें भी बहुत सारी queries आती हैं, right? This is one question जिसमें आपको बहुत problem होती है. When I reached my home, I was facing east. I started my school. I started from my school and took a left turn before taking a right turn. Then I reached park from where I traveled. I took a right turn. My house was on the next next right turn. In which direction did I start? Right. So this is one question जहां पर मेरे को maximum queries आते हुए दिखती हैं, right? This is one question जहां पर problem आप लोगों को है. तो एक बार समझ लो how to solve such question जहां पर हमारी initial direction is not given. What we have given, I started from my school. In which direction? We have not given. We are look, हमसे यही question पूछा है, in which direction I started from my school, right? So ऐसे question में जब आपको initial direction is not given, तो आप कोई भी direction assume कर सकते हो खुद से. Let's say this is your school, right? From your school you started in north direction. Let's suppose, right, this is one case. Let you started in the north direction, ठीक है? And then took a left turn before taking a right turn. From this point you took a left turn, right? Got it? Right. When I reached my okay, I started from my school. Let's suppose I started in the north direction. I started in the north direction, right? Then took a left turn. Then took a left turn before taking one right turn. From this point, I take a right turn. This is my left turn. This is a right turn now. Correct? Then we have given. Then I reached a park from where I traveled right. From this point, I traveled right and took a right turn. Again, I took a right turn, reached here. My house was on next right turn. So we have given, this is my house. Next right turn, this is my house. This is what we have given, right? So आप किसी भी, आप ऐसे start कर सकते थे, आप ऐसे भी start कर सकते हो. Let's say this is my school. ध्यान से देखना. I started in the south direction. ठीक है? Now I took a left turn. Then one right turn. Then after taking right turn, I reached a park. From this park, I took a right turn. To the next right, my house is to the next right. From this point, ठीक है, हमने कुछ Okay, just 1 minute. From this particular point, I took a left turn. Okay, then right turn. Then again one right turn. Okay. Then we have given again one right turn. Then next right is my house. This is my house. Right. This is what we have given. First case is by taking, I started from my house in the north direction. In the second case, I started from my house in the south direction. ठीक है, मैं अब कोई भी केस किसी भी, you can start in the north direction, you can start in east direction, west direction, south direction, that is up to you. ठीक है. So उसके बाद what we have given, when I reached my house I was facing east. देखो second case तो हमारा पूरी तरह satisfy करता है. When I reached my house, this direction is east direction. This is east direction because original directions are like this. This is east, west, north direction and south direction. And when I reached my house, this is my arrow. This arrow represents my final direction and I was facing towards east, right? So this is the original case. That means I started in the south direction from my house. So ये तो मेरी correct assumption था, but ये एक exception है. अगर ये मैंने नहीं किया होता, मैंने first वाला किया होता, then what? So in this case, my final direction is this arrow represent my final direction. This arrow represent my final direction, right? So this is my final direction, and this is according to question. This is east direction, and east के opposite is always west direction, and to the anti-clockwise of west कौन सी direction होती है? Always south direction, and this will become north because south and north are opposite to each other. So I started in this direction. This arrow represents my starting direction from my house, right? Sorry, from my school. Sorry, not this direction. This one. From my school, I started in this direction. मैं black arrow से black color से represent कर देता हूँ. This is my initial direction. And now this is the direction according to this question, and this is south direction. So here again my answer is south. आपने क्या करना, बस final what we have given. When I reached my house, I was facing east, and this is my direction when I reached my house. So इस direction को assume करना है. Take this direction as east direction. This is east direction. So east के opposite is always west direction, and anti-clockwise of west is south direction. And south के opposite is north direction. Okay, see, original directions को भूल जाते हैं यहाँ पर. In this case, see, this is the direction you are facing, right? जब आप घर पहुंचे, this is the direction you are facing. So according to question, this direction is east direction, and opposite of east is always west direction. And in the original diagram, अगर आप देखोगे west से आप anti-clockwise move करोगे ना, anti-clockwise direction में, तो west से जब आप anti-clockwise direction में move करते हैं, तो that direction is always south direction. And opposite of south is north. So you started from your school in the upward direction, and according to this new direction, this upward direction is called south if this is east. Simple. Got it? तो बस क्या करना, जो भी आपकी फाइनल डायरेक्शन आएगी उसको ईस्ट एज्यूम कर लेना. दिस इज ईस्ट. ईस्ट के ऑपोजिट इज ऑलवेज वेस्ट, एंड वेस्ट के एंटी क्लॉकवाइज इज ऑलवेज साउथ. साउथ के ऑपोजिट इज ऑलवेज नॉर्थ. सो आई स्टार्टेड अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस न्यू डायरेक्शन, माय अपवर्ड इज साउथ डायरेक्शन. दैट इज माय फाइनल आंसर, राइट? सो ऐसे इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, I hope. Up किसी भी direction, you can even start in east direction from your school. You can start in west direction also. Okay, now concept of shadow. ठीक है, and this is also one concept जहाँ पर हमें थोड़ी सी problem होती है, but I have two methods. With the help of both the methods, you can solve the question within 5 seconds. Any question related to shadow, any question, right? Whether they are facing towards each other or they are facing opposite. Okay, any question within, you can solve within 5 seconds. The only concept is morning shadow is always opposite to sun. पता है ना ये बात सबको? Shadow is always opposite to sun. So morning time shadow is in the, sun rises in the east, so shadow is in the west direction. shadow is always opposite to sun. Okay. Similarly, evening time. Very good. Evening, shadow is, sun sets at the west direction, so shadow is opposite to sun in the east direction. So हमारे पास generally जो भी equation होगा, that is related to morning time or evening time. That will be related to morning time or evening time. If question is about morning time, so shadow will be in the west direction. If the question is about evening, shadow is in the east direction. And आफ्टरनून में कोई शैडो नहीं होती, जब 12 बजते हैं उस टाइम पे कोई भी शैडो नहीं होती, स्ट्रेट होता है, राइट. उसके बाद इवनिंग में शैडो की डायरेक्शन ईस्ट होती है एंड मॉर्निंग में शैडो की डायरेक्शन वेस्ट होती है. सिंपल, right? This is the logic, and on the basis of this you will be able to solve all the questions within 5 seconds, right? I'll give you one concept only. अगर मैं यहाँ पर दोनों concept discuss करूँगा तो आप confuse हो जाएंगे. So I'll discuss one concept only, right? What we have given, one evening Rama and Ajay were talking to each other face to face, right? They were talking to each other face to face. If shadow of Ajay, okay, this is what evening time. Evening time, these are the original directions. अगर बात करें, east, west, north and south direction, right? East, west, north and south direction. Question is about evening, so shadow is in the east direction. This is shadow. ठीक है, ये तो सबको समझ आता है. जैसे evening देखा, shadow will be in the east direction because shadow is always opposite to sun. Evening, sun होता है west direction में, तो shadow will be in the east direction. ठीक है. Now अभी आप देखो, these are the two girls, or one girl or one boy, they are facing each other. ठीक है. रमा कौन है, अजय कौन है, this is not given here. What we have given, if shadow of Ajay was exactly to the right of Ajay, so ये किसका right होगा? This is first person, this is second person, ये किसके right होगा? Yes, everyone try to answer. This is first person, this is second person. Whom right is this shadow? किसके right में? ये first person का right है या second person का right है? This direction, ये किसका right है? Yes, try to answer. किसका right है? जल्दी बताओ, ये किसका right है? ये वाली direction किसका right है? One का और two? One or two? Whose right is this? किसका right है ये? Because according to question we have given right of Ajay, तो इसकी right side यही होगी ना? So this is second person, right? Got it? ये इसका right side होगा. This is right side and this is left side. And इस person की बात करें, this is left side and this is right side. Got it? तो आपको पता चल गया ना दोनों में से अजय कौन है? Got it? This shadow is to the right of Ajay. So this is Ajay and this is Rama. Now Ajay is facing upward, Ajay is facing towards north, and Rama is facing downward, means facing towards south. And question says in which direction Rama facing? So my answer is south. Done. Got it? समझ आ गया? According to right of Ajay means second person के right, means second person is Ajay and the first one is Rama. And Rama is facing downward, downward is south direction. Ajay is facing upward, upward is north direction. One more question for you all. Let's see. Now, how many of you can answer this question within 10 seconds, right? We have given one morning after sunrise, Riya, while going to school, met Priya at road crossing. Priya's shadow was exactly to the right of Riya. If they were face to face, which direction was Riya facing, right? Now, for this particular question, you all have 10 seconds. Let's see how many of you can answer. This is question about morning. This question is about morning time. Let's see how many of you can answer this question now. One morning after sunrise, Riya, while going to school, met Priya at road crossing. Priya's shadow was exactly to the right of Riya. If they were face to face, which direction was Riya facing? Okay, very good, excellent. So morning, excellent, very good. So morning, In the west direction, this is shadow, right? This is first person, second person, first, second. What we have given, Priya's shadow was exactly to the right of Riya. Whose right is this? Whose right is this? This is right. And this is left side. So this is Riya. Shadow is to the right of Riya, right? The first person is Riya and second one is Priya. Now we are looking for which direction was Riya facing. So my answer is Riya is facing downward. Downward direction is always south direction. So my answer is south. Got it? Clear to everyone? Yes, any doubt, any confusion in this question? So done for today, right? ठीक है, इतना ही करेंगे सेशन में. आई होप कि 40-45 मिनट का सेशन हो गया. ठीक है. If you like the video, अगर कुछ समझ आए तो do like, share and subscribe the channel, right? And in the next class we'll meet with the new topic. ठीक है. And DI पे don't worry, DI भी हम लोग करने वाले हैं, but we need some time for DI because इसके लिए I need 2 hours minimum to explain the complete concept of DI, right? So any other topic जिसमें आपको problem हो रही तो you can comment. ठीक है, we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you everyone. And ठीक है, अगर कोई भी ऐसा topic होता है you are feeling कि I'm facing problem solving questions in this particular topic, तो you can comment those topics or you can DM me those topics in Telegram also. ठीक है, we'll discuss those topics also. Can you do visual reasoning? Sure, we'll do. Biche. Direction is over, not over. See, this is just one part of direction. We have more questions in direction. So if you want, we'll make one more video, right? And critical reasoning also. Sure, we'll do. Okay. This is just one part of direction. Direction is not over yet, right? If you want, I will make one more video for you. Okay. Group and conditionalities, sure, we'll do. Okay. Any other topic? तो आप लोग even after class भी आप लोग मुझे बता सकते हैं. ठीक है. And please like the video. अगर आपको समझ आ रहा है, ठीक है, अच्छा लग रहा है, then only. अगर नहीं लग रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, leave it. ठीक है. चलो फिर. Okay, bye bye. See you all in the next class. Thank you very much. Bye bye everyone.